Welcome to the Sports and Entertainment Quiz by GK Masters. The first question: who is the player with the second highest number of ODI runs? Is it Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Kumar Sangakkara, or Ricky Ponting? Of course, the correct answer is Kumar Sangakkara. Two got it correct. Sachin Tendulkar is currently in the top place, highest number of runs, and Ricky Ponting is the third highest number of runs is scored by Ricky Ponting, and Virat Kohli is in sixth position. Let's move on to the leaderboard. Only Dusty and CJ got it correct, and Dusty is up to an early lead with 922 points, followed by CJ in second place and Tony Stark in third place. We'll move on to the next question. How many players are there in an LA team? 12, 8, 18, or 16? The correct answer is 16. Only one of you got it correct. We'll move on to the leaderboard. Only Tony Stark got it correct, and he jumps to second place, and Dusty is still in first place, and CJ is in third place. There's only a 40 points margin between Tony Stark and CJ. Well done, everyone, and we'll move on to the third question. In which country the 24 Olympics was held? France, Greece, USA, or China? In which country the 2004 Olympics was held? Yes, of course, it was held in Greece. Congratulations, everyone. Every one of you got it correct. So there is no change in the leaderboard, but there is a slight gap, only a 20-point gap between Dusty and Tony Stark. The fourth question: who was the man of the match of the 27 World Cup final? It is a Cricket World Cup. Is it Matthew Hayden, Glenn McGrath, Michael Clarke, or Adam Gilchrist? Yes, of course, the correct answer is Adam Gilchrist. Two of you got it correct. Adam Gilchrist scored 149 runs. The final was against Australia versus Sri Lanka. And Glenn McGrath is the player of the series. We'll hop on to the leaderboard. There is no change in the leaderboard. Dusty is still in the lead, followed by Tony Stark in second place, and CJ is in third place. Well done, Tony Stark. You have hit the answer streak of 3. The fifth question: who won the 2019 Youth Scrabble Championship? Is it Janul De Silva, Abi Dismail, Tarin Peiro, or Yash Potnis? The correct answer is Tarin Peiro. Only one of you got it correct. One thinks it is Janul De Silva. Janul De Silva was in second place of the 2019 Youth Scrabble Championship. And Yash Potnis was in third place. Abi Dismail, who is a Sri Lankan, he was in first place of the 2017 Youth Scrabble Championship. We'll move on to the leaderboard. Tony Stark gets the lead with 3,602 points. Dusty is in second place with 2,799 points, and CJ is in third place with 1,559 points. Well done, Tony Stark. You're keeping up your streak, and you have got 4 correct answers in a row. Well done. The next question: from which country did the F1 legend Ayrton Senna come from? From Spain, from Argentina, from Brazil, or from Germany? Yes, of course, the correct answer is Brazil. We move on to the leaderboard. Dusty takes the lead back again, passing Tony Stark, and Tony Stark drops down to second place, and CJ is still in third place. We'll move on to the next question. In which year was the first European Football Championship held? In 1964, in 1960, in 1950, or in 1958? In which year was the first European Football Championship held? It was held in 1960. Only one of you got it correct. One thinks it is in 1950 and one thinks it is in 1958. So, but the correct answer is 1960. That's the end of the quiz, and the last question is how was my quiz? Need to improve, excellent, good, or the worst quiz ever? So three of you have put it as excellent, and thank you for your feedback. We'll check the podium of the sports and entertainment quiz by GK Masters. In third place, it is CJ with 2,984 points. In second place, it is Tony Stark with 3,602 points. And the champion of the sports and entertainment quiz by GK Masters, it is Dusty with 3,739 points.